This is going to be a totally challenging year.
I love racing, and I don't care if I get first or last. I mean, at the end of the day, I just love being out there and competing.
Heidi and Jessica, they're about to make off-road racing history.
Given there's two girls, yes. But what I love about Heidi and I is that we're both like girly girls that then go to the desert and kick ass, which I think is awesome.
There will probably be a few haters, but whatever. We're excited about it, and you've got to start somewhere. And here we are. You know, we're both going to be stepping into a trophy truck together in 2013.
It's neat to kind of see my brother and my dad support me in driving such a beast of a vehicle and kind of see these like opportunities come my way.
Cameron introduced me to racing back in 2004, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I didn't want to spectate, I wanted to be in the vehicle.
These two ladies have proven themselves in racing before. Multiple championships, race wins, getting to the finish line safely. They're not just Johnny-come-latelys. These are real-life race car drivers.
Look out, boys. Here we come.